Apple stock split and earnings. I really appreciate that you're here for this video, because today we're going to investigate the Apple stock split and explore some incredibly exciting news regarding company earnings. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out, so subscribe and ring that notification bell. After the stock split, will you buy more Apple stock? Let me know in the comments below. Apple 2020 Q3 earnings. Apple reported some astonishing Q3 earnings on July 30th, with an EPS of $2.58 per share, beating analyst expectations by 24.47%. Apple reported revenue of $59.68 billion US, exceeding analyst expectations by 13.57%. Revenue was up over $7.12 billion over the previous quarter. This is truly noteworthy for Apple. It gets even better. Analysts expected iPhone revenue to be $22.37 billion. Apple reported iPhone revenue of $26.42 billion, a $4.05 billion underestimation by Wall Street. Services revenue unfortunately did not meet analyst expectations at $13.16 billion versus an estimated $13.8 billion. Regardless, these figures are still remarkable regarding current events. The Apple stock split. Apple will perform a 4-to-1 stock split. For the new guys, this is an incredibly good thing because it demonstrates a company is willing to lower the share price by splitting one share into different ratios. For example, Apple is currently trading at $409.54 per share as of writing this video. Performing a 4-to-1 stock split will effectively separate the $409.54 into 4 parts. This equates to $102 per share. If you owned 1 share of Apple, you would now own 4 shares. The market capitalization is not affected by a stock split. The stock split will happen on August 24th, 2020. Beginner investors may see this as a great buy opportunity because they think they can get a higher volume of shares for less money. However, as we all know, this does not change anything. Key takeaways. Apple reported some astonishing Q3 earnings on July 30th, with an EPS of $2.58, beating analyst expectations by 24.47%. Apple reported revenue of $59.68 billion, exceeding analyst expectations by 13.57%. Revenue was up over $7.12 billion over the previous quarter. Apple will perform a 4-to-1 stock split on August 24th, 2020. Beginner investors may see this as a great buy opportunity. You are going to want to click on one of the 2 videos on screen now, because they both contain an exceedingly powerful message that can help you in your investing journey.